Rollbacks made easy, even for your database. How can I automate application rollbacks? Digital AI rollbacks are easy. Digital AI deploy is a declarative deployment model. The deployment model is model-based, and the plugins enable scriptless deployments. Let's see how those rollbacks will work for us. So here we are in Digital AI deploy, and what I want to do now is roll back to the previous version. So I actually just installed version 2 into the application. If I want to roll back, I can select deploy here, and I can select the environment that I want to deploy to. And we can see in our test environment, we have deployed version 2. And if I click on that, we can go to continue. And now we see that we're update our deployment from version 2 to version 1. Of course, these are the things that we're going to deploy. These are the places we're going to deploy them. And because XL Deploy is model-based, it knows where things go. It has metadata that associates, like web content goes to a web server, SQL content goes to a relational database, and even this data source gets mapped to our JBoss server. We preview this thing, we'll actually see we have a number of scripts. So going from version 1 to 2, we made some changes to our database, and we made some changes to the web content. And XL Deploy is going to now do a rollback on this database. We actually have a custom script that does that for us. And then we have these 2 steps. So let's go and look and see what happens here. If we deploy this, they'll go through and execute the scripts. We can click on any of these tasks here, and we can see what the output of those tasks are. And so I now have an audit log of everything that was done during my deployment. And we have now gone from version 2 back to version 1. I can even double click on this pet portal thing, and I can see in my pipeline, I have version 1 now deployed in test instead of version 2. And I can see my audit log of some of the audit logs of things that have happened here. I can actually click on this and get a full audit log. Lots of useful information to get out of those